Selena Gomez.
All right, where did these even come from? Bowman Group. So we have German MP40 magazines wrapped in cosmoline, and they came with actual Nazi issued, I don't even know if you can say that word, 9mm rounds. Check that out. That's pretty cool. We're definitely going to try and shoot that later. All right. So let's see what we got. Look at these suckers. They're a little nasty, but they mostly look like they're still kind of covered in cosmoline. Okay. And they weren't bad. I want to say the last magazines I bought were $200 and some per magazine. I think I got these for $100 per magazine. Some plastic. Gross. Bam! 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the order. 8 mags and then some ammo. Let's kind of check out the condition here. I mean, they look like they're still pretty blued. That's kind of cool. They're even marked MP41 Schmeiser. They're just the right amount of sticky, but I think we should try and clean them up. So I've got my heat gun, some G96, I got some mineral spirits, some alcohol. Let's start off easy with just some G96. And then we can try, I don't know, some paint thinner. Okay, that is not really doing the trick. That might take a long time. The best thing about G96 is the smell. If you know, you know. It's kind of like Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Yeah, very minimal. Okay. Moving up the line. Make a little dam. We'll see if we can melt some off. All right. Here we go. I'm kidding. Don't smell it. Yeah. That's a non-starter right there either. But we got the old heat gun on them. It is hot. Oh yeah. That's definitely, probably the way to go here. Oh man, I wish you guys could smell this. It smells good and bad at the same time. So, just like me. Interesting. Alright. Oh yeah. That is probably the way to go. Get the back of them. This could take some effort. We might speed up the video. That's it. No chemicals. Just good old-fashioned heat. Check it out. 32 round marked. I don't know if that's going to show up at all. Little stamp.
I threw a wish in the well. Don't ask me, I'll never tell. I looked to you as it fell, and now you're in my way. I trade my soul for a wish, pennies and dimes for a kiss. I wasn't looking for this, but now you're in my way. Your stare was holding, ripped jeans, skin was showing. Hot night, wind was blowing. Where you think you're going, baby? Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy, but here's my number, so call me maybe. It's hard to look right at you, baby, but here's my number, so call me maybe. Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy, but here's my number, so call me maybe. And all the other boys try to chase me, but here's my number, so call me maybe. You took your time with the call, I took no time with the fall. You gave me nothing at all, but still you're in my way. I beg and borrow and steal at first sight, and it's real. I didn't know I would feel it, but it's in my way. Your stare was holding, ripped jeans, skin was showing. Hot night, wind was blowing. Where you think you're going, baby? Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy, but here's my number, so call me maybe. It's hard to look right at you, baby, but here's my number, so call me maybe. Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy, but here's my number, so call me maybe. And all the other boys try to chase me, but here's my number, so call me maybe. Before you came into my life, I missed you so bad. I missed you so bad. I missed you so, so bad. Before you came into my life, I missed you so bad. And you should know that I missed you so, so bad.
Workly. Yo, so testing time. We've got our 8 freshly cleaned magazines, and I just put 10 rounds in them each, and we're gonna shoot them through the old MP40. All right, ready, steady. You see me okay? Yep. That's it. Oops. Okay. Put that guy in the winter pile. Another winner. Which is weird. I don't know if I can loop in the pictures before, but the springs were kind of different lengths, so. Who knows? We're in. We're not in. This is some of that new MagTech ammo. I don't know if you see that. I probably should be using regular stuff. Not liking that. Huh. So yeah, that's a whole lot that went in. We could have a gun issue now. It is pretty old. Let's see, that one made it approximately to the last round again. But we're calling that a winner. This guy, yeah, so far so good. Yeah. Yeah. Putting that one in the bad pile. This one I do hope works. Check that out. That is like new in the wrapper type of stuff. Yeah. Good. Very nice. In the winter. Last but not least, this one's pretty beat up. Who knows? Let's get right up here so you can see some goodness coming out of here. Probably. And it worked. I will say that MagTech ammo is super sparky coming off here. I don't know if you'll catch any of that. So, but I did it because it's steel case and it should be really easy to pick up with a magnet. Anyway, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.5 out of 8. I'll take it. 60% of the time, it works all the time. That is all. Carry on. It's a little tight.